In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book one-way in Expedia 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Expedia website. On the home page, look at the top menu and choose flights. By default, trips may show as round trip, so switch the trip type to one-way. This tells Expedia you only need a single outbound flight and helps surface the right fares. Next, set your departure point in the Leaving From field. Begin typing your city or airport and select the correct option from the suggestions so the code matches your plan. Then enter your destination in the Going To field, again choosing the exact city or airport from the list. Accuracy here avoids mismatched airports and surprise transfers. Open the date picker to choose your travel day. You can click through months and select the exact date that fits your schedule. If your timing is flexible, you'll often see a price preview across nearby dates, which can help you save. When you're happy with your selection, click Done to apply the date. Now click Search. Expedia will load available one-way options. On the results page, compare flight times, total travel duration, and any layovers. If you want to refine the list, you can use filters for airlines, number of stops, departure time, or price range. For a deeper look at any option, open Flight Details. This panel shows departure and arrival times, connection airports, aircraft changes, and typical baggage rules. It's a great place to confirm you're comfortable with layover lengths and overnight connections. When you're ready, click See Fares for that flight. You'll usually find a few fare types, such as more restrictive basic options and more flexible ones. Review what each includes, like change policies, seat selection, or baggage, and pick the one that matches your needs. Click Select to lock in that fare. You'll land on a summary page. Click Next, check out, and if a price or baggage summary appears, choose Continue to Checkout to proceed. At checkout, enter traveler details exactly as they appear on your government ID. Fill in full name, date of birth, and contact information so airlines can reach you with updates. Double-check spelling to avoid check-in issues later. Then choose how you'd like to pay. Options vary by region and may include cards or digital wallets. Review the total price, currency, and any add-ons before you continue. Finally, click Complete Booking. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation page and receive an email with your itinerary and booking reference. Keep that reference handy for check-in and for managing your flight directly with the airline. And that's your one-way booking on Expedia done.